here in Taipei City.
And now part of the Northgate Plaza, which includes other historic structures, such as the Taipei Post Office and the National Taiwan Railway Museum, a favorite spot for visitors. When it's lit up at night, the Northgate exudes a muted beauty that transports you back in time. Don't forget to take some photos.
Welcome aboard Taipei Sightseeing Bus, and this is the Blue Line Via to National Palace Museum, because this is for the last one of the Blue Line for today. So if you get up anywhere, you need to come back here by yourself. Yeah, so then tell me where you want to go. And it will take about 90 minutes for one route depending on the traffic. Okay， 现在是蓝线往故宫，那我们绕一圈的话大概90分钟，还要看车况。对，那大部分的人都是绕一圈嘛。OK。这也是绕一圈是吗？对。
Sabi niya is 19 minutes ang ikutin ng Blue Lane, going here and going to Taipei Main Station. Sinabi. So we are here at the sightseeing bus live here in Taipei City.
Can you see your ASC? Okay.
Relax lang. Nagalit ka agad. Oo. Shoutout naman sa mga lahat sa nila. Shoutout. Relax lang. Shadow may tang ulo eh. Shadow may tang ulo. Yan, sa mga followers natin sa Facebook, pwede tayong mag-shoutout dyan. Shoutout natin mga pangalan natin. Sa mga tao dyan sa Taoyuan City, magandang hapon po sa inyo natin. Good afternoon everyone guys. So we are on traffic here. Heavy traffic tayo guys. So ito yung background ko is highway going to the next destination of 2 Blue. Ayan, the old scenery. Old scenery. Hindi tayo bigyan ng mapa yan. So this is the Metro Taipei Museum. Masyadong traffic yan. Traffic tayo dyan guys. Traffic yan. So ayan. The traffic is now resumed. Resume na yung resume na siya. Resume. So ayan. So ayan na guys. We're now moving. So may trivia tayo guys. Lahat ng ito makita nyo sa labas is lahat yung naka-motorcycle. Motorcycle lang yan. Mga scooter motorcycle. So this is the sightseeing bus here in Taipei. You can see here in M2, exit M2 in Taipei Main Station. So maganda yung panahon, medyo mainit pero maganda din tayo gumalaga. Dito tayo sa loob muna kasi sobrang init. Mamaya ay lalabas tayo sa bus sa may taas, sa may walang bubong para makita natin yung view. So paano na kami nagbiyahe? Gaya na.
Ay, hindi na lang. Hindi nyo na naabutan niya. Maganda nyo. Nakarating tayo. So sa nanonood dyan, shout out
shout out to our viewers over there. Shout out po tayo dyan, shout out yan. Can you please share our live, our Facebook live? Thank you very much guys.
Ah, okay.
And you can go over there.
Okay. Okay. Pwede daw. Wait. Nay, punta ka doon. Picture niya daw tayo.
May binupiran, ikaw hindi. Hindi kinupiran. Naway mo kasi. Mamaya.
Tayo mo?
Mamaya ikaw. Matapos sila. Tapos sila.
We're born,
So continuously is moving the sightseeing bus going to the next destination. Our next destination is I don't know. I don't know.
Pag nag-stop na doon na lang ako. Okay, take a seat first.
This seat, take your seat, yeah. Take your seat, yeah.
Ganun pala yung upo tayo.
Oh. So it's the bus sightseeing is consumable for 19 minutes around the city of Taiwan or the city of Taipei. So yeah, so we are now. So we're now on the way, going to our next destination. Yeah, destination.
Pwede pa lang magpapara sila.
Oh, pwede, para. Bababa kayo. Kung gusto mo kayong dalawa, pipi. Akong picture.
Pag bababa na,
Oh, nagalaw-galaw. Pweste.
Pwede. Nakalagay naman yan.
Nothing here. Nothing here.
Sabihin ko dun sa ano, sa susunod sa atin. Kasunod na lang tayo.
So, ganyan po ang pagtawid. Yan.
Iba, ibang kuya ang mag-tour sa atin. Ang tanong natin kay kuya, parang yung driver siya na rin. Hindi ba?
Oh, ikot yan. So, we're going to outside. Para hindi na mainit. Para makapagkata. Lalabas ako. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, we are on the way. Nasa labas tayo ng city bus of sightseeing bus. So yeah, so we are here live outside the bus sightseeing, so we can see the view over here. So yeah. This is the city of Taiwan, city of Taipei, Metro Taipei. Thank you, Reynald Paculauna.
This tree-lined boulevard has witnessed a great deal of history. The Taiwan Grand
So yung mga
Shrine
nasa
is built on
Pinas,
Yuan Shan
pwede nyo na makita to sa aking Facebook Live.
In preparation for
Ang Taiwan. So,
Taiwan
yeah.
Grand Shrine, Takushi
May mga idea na kayo paano dito pumunta.
Zhongshan North Road was created to lead to the shrine. Sweet gum is planted on
Picture ka ba?
either side of the broad and
Cellphone mo?
tiny road. Sweet gum are trees that offer a welcome shade in the summer
Ito.
and
Ah,
intoxicate
dito.
red leaves in the autumn and winter. From section 1 to section 7 of Zhongshan North Road, you can see Japanese-style lanes and alleys, wedding boutiques, Little Manila, and the international expat community in
Thank
Tianmu.
you.
Zhongshan North Road features a mixture of old and new. Take a look around. You'll find yourself constantly amazed by
Isdalit
the
ata
art,
yun, ah.
culture, architecture, and dining.
Please, dali.
Ayun, bakit ko na?
Hindi mo mawala yun. So mga for those people who wants to go to Taipei,
现在是到了第5号。
so this is the opportunity to see what's the
先
news
下
in
课的话可以
Taipei.
走到宁夏夜市。Directing to number 5. Yuanhua Nanjing, and if you get up here, you can go to the night market, the Ningxia night market.
Market daw, market. Reynold Baclauna, thank you for tuning into our live. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. So the temperature here is almost decreasing our level. So, so medyo konti yung mga taong sumakay. Meron tayong mga Filipino people here. So, yan. So medyo makulimlim ang panahon na maganda lumabas-labas dito. Yan. It's so nice yan. No traffic over here. The second lane of Taipei. See the yeah. As you can see, guys, every street here have a traffic lights. So we expected stop. Every street have a traffic lights. And thank you for following our platform, our Facebook. Thank you for tuning in. And thank you for tuning into our Facebook Live. Yeah, the second street. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah. Every corner have a traffic lights. Ayan, sobrang ganda dito. Ayan, guys. Taipei Nancy. This is the mall. NET, Net, and Crystal, Mango. So it's nice to visit again. We have always stoplight turning into the left. Ayan.
In close proximity to the world complex
Say.
neighborhood, Regent Taipei is a grand
Double free here by Hilton.
等待车即将出发，行进间请勿站立，并系好安全带。We are ready for departure. Please fasten the seatbelt and remain seated while the bus is in motion.
Departure.
バスがまもなく発車いたします。
Wala.
進行中は立ち上がらずにシートベルトをお締めください。차가 곧 출발합니다. 반드시 착석해 주시고 안전벨트를 착용해 주십시오.
So we are now in departure of over 19 minutes. Alright, so we can see the different part of the city here in Taipei.
Coolest neighborhood.
Coolest neighborhood.
Taipei is an all-inclusive
Bababa na tayo.
Since its grand opening in 1990, it has hosted
Baba tayo mamaya-maya, guys. So yan, nakikot ko na kayo sa Metro Taipei.
such as
Mga gusto mo siya dito, go na kayo sa ating lugar na to. Ganda ito, sobrang dami Pilipino dito. Pagkain marami din, so pasyalan, very nice. Sa sasakyan, transportation is good, very very good. So ito yung mga taong kumakay dito, nasa aircon. Hindi tayo dumaan ng Taipei 101 kasi mamaya pa yung 5 o'clock. Dadaan. Ito yung mga mode of transportation sa Taiwan. So thank you for tuning in our live. We'll see you again, guys, our live. Thank you for following me. And have a nice day, everyone.